Be strong.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming back to you guys with another video. I'm actually right here now just busting out this video for you guys. This is an unboxing or unpackaging the Bronco package. You see here, say Bronco. This is saying, I guess, thank you for ordering a Bronco. You know me, I got a Bronco coming in. Ford Outer Banks. Ford Bronco Outer Banks coming in. It should just say Bronco Outer Banks. Not even Ford on it. I know it'd be Ford branding, but it just should say Bronco Outer Banks. Take the Ford off of it, but it's cool. But they actually gave me a package. I want to say thank you to them, whoever sent it out. If you see this video, thank you for sending me this package. This is really dope how y'all sent this. I did a sneak peek at it a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get right into it. And you can see how the package is. Like I said before, I already ripped it. And I'm actually going to turn it over so you guys don't see my name on it. I like how they made the package look like the design of it here. I'm pretty sure this is like the off-road trail or something like that. So we're going to open it right back up. Usually you're supposed to just tear the thing up, but I'm going to open it up. Let me get this here. Let me get that right in here. They gave me a nice little thing. I'm thinking about framing this too. In my man cave, I'm thinking about getting a frame and then framing it. So you end up getting, you know, you got to move that there. It comes with a double side part wood thing. But first thing they gave you, it actually, I guess they made this vehicle in Johnsonville Valley, California. Key developer test site. They got there, the group. I guess that's like how many meters or how many things that, you know, off-road thing there. But it got you, when they started design, this was the final design up top. I guess, you know, design they got here, the early IP design part here. I do like the way they got the dash, because if you look at it, it's still got the same similar dash. And actually, steering wheel is the same. It's kind of hard to see, like the steering wheel, but it's pretty much just ideal, just the same steering wheel and everything else. How I got it, how they, you know, came to that point when they made the Bronco. Actually was pretty dope. I like the stage what they did, but you could pause that there and read that what they say here. It's a limited edition from the design team. You know, they got that here, and actually they have the Bronco paper here. And then if you want to pause that, you can read it. Let's see if we get it. There we go. You can pause that. You can read it there. It gave me a barcode on the side, so I'm going to check that out right up top. I'm going to check that out. And also they gave me this paper here. You can pause that and read that also, what they gave me on there. So I want to say thank you for appreciating it. And one thing, the big ups to them, when I want to say, the thing that they gave me was the stickers. I thought that was pretty dope, the sticker. You guys tell me your thoughts about the sticker. I'm definitely going to put it up somewhere, put it on a vehicle probably. But no, I'm probably going to put this in a frame or something, or frame it. Sticker, because that's something, there's still some wild out there. You know, established in 1966. You know, that's when the first Ford Bronco was out in 1966. You guys tell me your thoughts, what you think about it. What you like about the, you know, the package they gave me, and to the people that bought the Bronco, and what you think. And I really appreciate them for actually shipping this out to me and giving it to me while I'm on the wait of getting my Bronco. I can't wait to get it. I can't wait to mod it and then give it away to you guys. That's one thing, but I actually want to purchase another one. I want the stick shift one, the same model, but I want a stick shift. But I'm just waiting for that one. They said I can't get it until next year, so I wanted to at least get one and start modding it, doing things to it. More stuff coming to the channel, more videos, more car content, more tech, and also my vlogs, and also about my real estate. So stay tuned. I actually got a little bit more of the video. And thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for the next part, because there's going to be another part on here for the next day about this video on here. Bronco, what I've been doing, and what's going on. Peace. To go to my page and check out, listings I have, stuff I'm going to be posting. If you want to, get your house listed, you want to sell your house, or you want to buy a house, I actually go, help you out buy a house. I could buy and sell and help you on that end. So if you guys are looking to sell your house in the greater Pittsburgh area, so I'm a real estate agent in the greater Pittsburgh area. I'm doing a lot of things with cars and technology still. Tech was kind of dry, so I didn't get anything on, that's why I wasn't putting out videos with tech. I actually do have a new product that I have that I've been testing out for the last couple of days. I was going to unbox it because there's so many people got an unboxing of it, but I've been testing it out, and I'm gonna be shooting a video for that. Something to help your iPhone, this accessory to help your iPhone. I'm actually trying to get the other product first so I could do a comparison to it. But I wanted to tell you guys, thank you for subscribing while I'm out here getting things together, changing myself, getting a little better at things. I just been on the grind. I've been doing stuff with my business. I've been doing stuff with, because I'm a real estate agent now. I was studying for that. That was one of the things I was studying for. So I wanted to give you guys and thank you guys, for subscribing still, being loyal to my page. So this one is just talking about, on that, what I'm doing. So I'm just bringing you some car content, and I'm thinking about, because I do got a Bronco website up. So if you are still interested in entering into the giveaway, I'm actually going to be, it's still the link below. You enter in, you get a ticket sent to you. You get a ticket in the email, what your ticket is, and actually I will have someone I will be paying to do the raffle, not me. I'm not doing a raffle. I'm actually just, once all the raffles is in, I'm actually going to give it to them, third-party person. I might have to pay a little ducats for it, but it's fine. I'm just going to give it to them because I want to do this stuff legit as possible on this giveaway on this Ford Bronco, because we are almost here with the Broncos, almost here. I might pick up another one. I'm not for sure. You guys let me know. I might pick up another one just to, have another one for myself, because this one I ordered, I'm going to give to you guys. Or if you feel like you want the other one, I can just do that for the other one. But at the end of the day, just hooking it up, just getting, getting everything together, trying to, I didn't do videos in a while, so I'm kind of like a little rusty with everything. Sorry about the little jitteries and jumping, but I wanted to let you guys know, about what was going on and what we're doing and where I've been up, what I've been up to, and everything like that. So, I actually got my real estate license, so I got that. I'm actually just been getting a lot of stuff together because I've been doing a little bit better on my business. I have a detail business. So I should be shooting videos on my other channel. I have a channel that is C3 Detail Vinyl, but it's a C3DV. That's my other channel that I'm be doing strictly with my detail stuff. So I got a few videos I gotta work on and post up, but I wanted to focus on the video with you guys because I wanted to drop this video talking about what I've been up to. So I'm going to probably show like my Instagram here or something or whatever. On each one of these sides, you will see my Instagram for my agent page, my Twitter page. And I want you guys to smash that and go in there and subscribe to that. Sub to the channel there, because I got a channel. This is going to be the channel where I'm going to be doing real estate too. So I'm going to shoot all the videos in my real estate stuff here, so you can see a lot of that stuff here. Because I'm sticking with the tech, but a lot of my videos is going to be with the real estate here. And I want you to follow me on Instagram for my channel. Follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna try to make that. And I actually want you to do a couple things on that. Follow me on those social medias and for my channel for my real estate. But yeah, I'm into real estate now. I got a real estate, got my license, so I'm a real estate agent now. I have business cards. So if you're in the greater Pittsburgh area and you want to sell your house or buy a house, I can help you. I can help you fulfill your dreams and move forward to get you something bigger and better, or get you something you always dreamed to have. You want it. But the giveaways for the Bronco, that's one of the things, because in the beginning I did unboxing of what they gave me for Bronco. The link below is my webpage where you can enter in to get the Bronco. We're getting very close to that date. We're going to have a countdown. I'm actually going to get my developer to actually put the countdown on there, because it's getting ready to, because the car is coming, the truck is coming. So you guys can know on the countdown on it. And I also might be just giving this away, or I might just give cash away with it. So someone might get a Bronco plus another car. This car here, this is the Kia. That's the one I was going to do the giveaway, and I decided to still do a giveaway on it, but it'd be more like, if you enter in $50 to get you a solid ticket to get you enter in to win the Bronco. And if you win, we got an option where you could take this with it, so you got 2 vehicles, or cash. I'm not for sure what we're going to do with the cash. I know it's going to be in between $2,000. That's probably the cash with that Bronco. It might be even higher. I'm not for sure. It all depends on who enter and who get in and how many people we get. Because I really trying to help. I'm trying to give this truck away, trying to help you guys, and it's just $50, so someone can have their dream truck, or have this truck, this Ford Bronco, for $50. That's not a bad deal. So I'm actually just here talking to you guys. We're going to get a lot of stuff done. I just wanted to do a quick video, because this is part of it, and then my next video I'm going to just talk a little bit more. We're going to do a little bit more other stuff, but I just want to say thank you for being loyal. Actually, the people who is new to my channel, thank you. I am still going to do tech. I am still going to do stuff with cars, rebuild cars, and do all that other stuff. I have a separate channel for rebuilding cars. I'm not for sure if I'm going to shift to that. You guys let me know in the comment, like, hey, yeah, any rebuild cars, put on your channel, your Tech SRT channel. That's my channel that I have, that I'm rebuilding cars. So you see the link all the time. It's always in there. I got 15 subscribers. So if you could get me over 1,000 and give me the 4,000 watch hours on that, that'd be great. Because that's where I'm going to probably be doing a lot of the car content. We're rebuilding, but this channel will be more like the reviews and tech stuff, and real estate stuff and stuff like that. Because I'm actually going to try to help a lot of people get into real estate investing, because that's basically what I'm doing for real estate investing. The knowledge I get, I want to teach you guys. So if you don't understand it and know it, especially the guys that want to flip houses, and a lot of people tell you, hey, do this and you could get this to flip houses. But no, that's the whole reason why I got my license, is so I could flip houses, buy houses, sell them, because I'm being my own agent where I can sell those. The company I'm with, I'm loyal to them. I love them, because they really stick by my side and helping me with a lot of stuff. So all my houses I'm gonna flip, all my houses I'm gonna buy, I'm going to be doing it strictly with this company I'm with. So if you see the link below, it will have my link to my real estate, to where you can want to buy houses or anything else like that. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.